What's up, folks? We're driving stock number 700 today, a 2013 Freightliner Coronado. This truck has the 14-liter Detroit, putting down around 500 horsepower, Eaton Fuller manual 10-speed. It's got all the upgrades. It's got your Jake brakes, your airbag suspension dump, your interaxle diff lock, CD player. Truck is right at 1 million miles. It is a fleet maintained truck. It runs good, holds the road well, power windows, power mirrors. It's got newer gray seats in the truck. It is double bunk condo. It's got your refrigerator in it. Had some paint touch up to the truck. It's got excellent tires and brakes. Shouldn't be an issue to DOT. And also check out our 2015 Coronados. Thank you guys for checking us out today, and catch us on the next video.